Hey everybody, Francisco with the Deaf Life. Today we are going to do an unboxing of this smart mini pocket projector. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so let's open this up. I just want to make a quick note while I attempt to open this box. I'm not getting paid for doing this review, so I feel free of sharing my own opinion. Meauro. Hope I'm pronouncing it right. Okay. We have a power cord. Alright, we have a power adapter. Oh, it comes with a remote. Here's the manual, 1080p. And here is the brand, Meauro. I want to say that's the brand. So this is the model. Okay, so this is pretty cool. It comes with like it has a handle. This feels, it's probably not leather, but it does feel like it is leather, and it has the brand engraved. I don't know if it's upside down or not. Wow, and then the front of it looks pretty cool. Wow, now you can see the glass in there. Okay, so it looks like we have our power connector, a USB, HDMI, and headphones. I'm not sure if this is output for headphones, I would imagine, because the audio should be coming in via the HDMI here. In the front, you can see the brand again, and it's simple. It's pretty in the front. It's pretty simple, and it has a really cool look. This is pretty cool. You can mount it on a tripod, so that is very interesting. Let's plug it in and see what we can do with this. The remote requires batteries. I'll be right back with them. Okay, got the batteries. Okay, so I found that the way to turn it on is you have to double click the power button, and that turns it on. So it has a boot up sequence, and there is the main screen. So this is another cool thing that I just realized. This is priced for $170, and I think it has really good features for the price. One of the reasons why this is called a smart projector, if I move it, the projection on the wall changes shape to be more of a perfect rectangle. So as I move it, I can see the image shifting. So I would imagine that it does have some sensors built in for it to readjust. Thank you for watching the video until the end. Thank you, and catch you in the next one.